So this video now is super clear. Can you see that? It's super clear. Was it like this before? It wasn't like this before. Just imagine, in case you shoot a video and the video is not clear, the video is blurry, the video is not good looking, this is what you need to do. Okay, these videos have been added. Can you see them? Okay, so these videos have been added. The first thing I want to do, just look at the time. Can you see the time over here? Right, this is 6:53. Okay, that's the duration of this video. So the first thing I will do is to click down just beneath here and then click on aspect ratio. All right, don't leave it on original. Okay, don't put it here, put it on 9, put it on 16:9. Okay, and then check it here. Good. So if you do that for the first video, it means you did it for all the other videos. Okay, because it's automatic. Now after that, this video doesn't have voice. Like the person that recorded it did not use her voice. Is that clear? So which means we are going to be using write-ups to indicate what is happening in the video, and then a background music, and then 1 or 2 editings, and we are done. So the first thing we want to do right now is to mute the sound. So for you to mute the sound, you are not to click on the video and begin to reduce the volume. You don't need to do that. Is that clear? So what you need to do is to click on mute clip. Can you see mute clip? So click on mute clip. When you click on mute clip, it means that, can you see this sign here? All the clips have been muted. Look at clip 2, showing mute. Let's check clip 3. Can you see mute? All of them have been muted. Is that clear? Now, in case you did something that you were not supposed to do, you touched something while editing that you were not supposed to touch, can you see this button here? That is the undo button. Click on it. It will take you back to where you were. Okay, to take you back to how it was. So this is very simple. This is very, very simple. So that is the second thing. The next thing you want to do is to take a look at this video. The video is not too bright, it's not too sharp. Okay, so we want to sharpen it a little. So what should we do? Click on the video to highlight it, and then after clicking on the video to highlight it, the next thing you want to do is to scroll beneath until you see adjust. Okay, click on adjust. When you click on adjust, you have 3 different options here. You have filters, you have adjust, you have video quality. Follow this carefully. Is that clear? So let it just be on adjust for now, and then keep scrolling here till you find sharpen and clarity. Okay, so let's begin from sharpen. We want to sharpen the visual of this video. So this white line, click on it, hold it down, then drag it, and then leave it at 40 where it is. Okay, leave it at 40. As I'm dragging it, just keep looking at the video. You can see the texture of the video is already changing. So leave it at 40, then go to clarity, drag it down to 40 and leave it. Can you see it's changing the texture? This is how you can edit a video that is blurry, a video that is not clear, a video that is, the visual is not good. This is what you need to do. Okay, now when you are done, the next thing you want to do, go to filters. Okay, filters will give you the opportunity to raise the resolution of that video. So maybe the video was shot on a 460 resolution or 720 thereabout. You can take this video up to 8K resolution or 4K resolution. So let's go for 4K resolution. Click on 4K resolution. Can you see the clarity? Can you see the video? The visual is so clear right now. So clear. Okay, so when you do this, you can even go to video quality here. Let me show you something under video quality. When you click on video quality, go to enhance quality. Okay, click on enhance quality. Now you have HD, you have ultra HD, you have portrait HD. I often use this, but if you use this, the video will be so clear, crystal clear. All right, but you might not need that if you have used 4K resolution, if you have used filters, if you have used adjust. Is that clear? So now when you are done with all of this, can you see apply to all? It means apply to all clips. It will be applied to all the clips for you. So click on apply to all clips. Okay, can you see that here also? apply to all clips, then click here to check it. So this video now is super clear. Can you see that? It's super clear. Was it like this before? It wasn't like this before. Just imagine, in case you shoot a video and the video is not clear, the video is blurry, the video is not good looking, this is what you need to do. Okay, sharpen it, clear it, go for filters, do all you need to do. Make sure your video is super and top notch clear. Is that okay? So after all of this, the next thing you need to do is to begin to cut. Okay, but before you cut, one of the things I use for videos like this, especially if yours is a tutorial channel, you just explain things to people. This is what to do, this is what not to do in your videos and all of that. What you need to do when you come over here, remember I told you the duration of this video is 6.53. okay, so we want to add a little speed to this video. The speed we are going to add to this video will help us to do what we need to do. So quickly click on the video to highlight it. When you do that, scroll beneath until you see speed, then click on speed. I've told you several times, don't use velocity effect for now. Okay, I will show you what velocity effect does when it comes to speed and why it is under this option. Don't use curve, don't use velocity effect, go straight to normal. So click on normal. So you can then click on this button down, okay, then increase it. It's normally on 1.0, so increase it to 1.3. now since there is no voicing in this video, you are at liberty to increase it even to 2.0, okay, and the video will be super fast, almost super fast. Is that clear? But if you leave it at 1.3, it is still fast. Well, let's leave it at 1.4. okay, so we'll leave it at 1.4. everything will be changed instantly. Okay, now this only affects the first clip, it doesn't affect the other 4 because we added 5 clips to this video, so it doesn't affect the other 4. So what you need to do is to just leave it at 1.3, check it here, do that for all the clips that you have. Okay, do that for all the clips that you have. When you come over here, click on the video to highlight this way, then go to speed again, go to normal, drag it to 1.3. you have to do this for all the videos that you have. You see why we say editing is not a day's job. Okay, video editing is one of the most important aspects of video creation, yet very, very laborious. Is that clear? So let me show you. Okay, this one, let's take it to the same speed limit, 1.3. I think we still have one here, right? So that is that 1.3. This one is already 1.3. okay, let's see the other one. Let's see the other one quickly. Okay, this 2 is 1.3. so the total duration of the video right now is, okay, so let's take this to 1.3 also. Go to the speed, normal, and then 1.3. good. So the next thing we want to do is to go to the end of this video. Go to the end of the video, very, very important. Scroll to the end of the video, scroll to the end of the video. Can you see where they wrote ending? Okay, click on it, highlight it, and then click on delete. Click on delete. It's been deleted. So we want to cut along the line. I'm going to pause this video so that it will enable me to be fast. I don't want this video to be long.